December 25th, 2022, Christmas Day. We're at Mountain Creek, Vernon, New Jersey. Our kids going skiing. First time here for them. The kids' ski camp is not cheap. It's like $170, more than $170. It says 2 hours, but the first, say 15 to 30 minutes is orientation and setup. I haven't been to Mountain Creek since I was, maybe college. I don't know. Over 20 years. This is the beginner hill. But since our kids are more experienced, they essentially skipped this and went to the slopes just to get assessed. There are 2 hills, 2 mountains. Well, there's 14 trails, but 2 lifts, and they converge at the end. This is the blue, but they said that's pretty icy today. Yesterday it was 6 degrees Fahrenheit. Today's warmer, 20. This is the top of one of the hills. I think it's called Sugar Hill. Oh boy, looks very icy, but somehow these people make it look so easy. There you go. You go first.
It's very icy. I'm scared.
I'm sure it'll get better down there.
I hope so.
The first time down, we saw our kids and their instructor. But after that, I think they went to the more intermediate hill higher up. Myself, I'm gonna stay here. This is just my level. The condition is not that bad. Yes, it's icy, but I still think it's because of yesterday's 6 degrees. On the other lift is a gondola. This one is an express seat lift. I don't think I've ever had to wait more than 5 minutes for this seated one. This Sugar Express lift.